vio?
Sí, ya tengo la información.
¿Qué le dice cuánto? De peso. Hizo el fondo.
Se lo puse en la mesa con
Ok.
limpiate de adelante. Oh, no puedo. Ahora no me deja.
Pero usted no vio cuánto.
No, no me deja entrar porque estoy grabando.
Ah, no, pero lo que hay que hacer. No, eso no hay prisa. Yo para ver nomás, por curiosidad también. Soy yo. Mejor.
The candle, 20-point range right now.
Come on, Nasdaq. 40 points. Just do
Wow,
it.
you're long 8 contracts. Let's go, Trevor.
Yo, Trev, bring it.
Let's go.
Man.
No, I was laddering in. Always ladder in.
Hell yeah.
My risk
Do
is
you have
never
any,
never more than 400 though. I don't like to risk, even on a 150k.
Do you have any nicknames, Trevor?
Kaz.
Cuz. Nice.
Yeah, Kaz. CUZ.
You go.
Who started that one? Whose cuz are you?
Order filled.
Yeah, imagine that. No, my cousin James, he started a long time ago. Cape Town. He called me cousin Trey, but then we just left with Kaz.
Okay, what up, cuz? Hidden Gem says. All right, cuz. Let's get into this. A little push higher here.
Order filled.
Push higher here in the Nasdaq. Good. Nasdaq's got to test these 19,000s, right? About 10 points to go. 1,095.
VWAP always hates me, so let's sell off at VWAP.
Okay, we can break above and reconsolidate. We'll try to get more longs, but we are only long one, obviously, because this is a winning trade.
This is the winner, yeah.
That's how that works, unfortunately. But we'll pretend it's an E-mini and just trade the strategy, the system, all that stuff. So we can go to break even here. No need to take any risk. breaking out
Actually,
of range.
that's not a bad idea. Let's do that. Break even.
I mean, we're up 30-something points already.
Yes, we
We
are.
don't want this to come back 30 points. We could just take profit right here, but it's only like $66. But that is like still 30 points, so that's probably a better way to think about it.
Do not do that, Gabe. Do not do that.
Don't
Not 18,987.
Do what?
Nothing. Don't read the
Nope.
nothing.
Up. It's
Nothing.
too late. Is it too late?
Not do it.
Nope.
Delta update. Nothing really. Minus 1,600 in the Nasdaq. Nothing. S&P's ES plus 500.
Kind of top at 30-minute range too, as well. So this might get some turbulence up here at the 19,000s. We've had
Gold
starting
still
at 12. Yeah.
Right. Gold still cruising higher.
4 candlesticks to the left on the 30-minute. Let's go, Gus. Nice. This is good
Come on,
price
Nasdaq.
action though.
Give
Yeah,
me,
let's go.
give me one trade. Give me one trade. In 3 days.
Top Step TV for Cuz. Do it for Cuz.
Do it for
Nasdaq.
Cuz is
Do it for
right.
Cuz. Do it for Cuz.
It's gotta be. They gotta go test these 19,000s, right? Come on.
Oh, they want 'em.
18,008.
Big round even number.
Yep. 18,995. ES grinding higher as well. There's got to be stops above 19,000 as well. Tilt, nothing on the tilt. 13 minutes till the bottom of the hour.
Okay, this is a test right now, right here.
3 minutes till
Right
MOC.
here, I'm gonna put a little emoji here.
Nice. Love a good MOC.
To get past
I mean-
that.
Trevor, do you normally
MOC.
trade the power hour here?
I don't. No.
Hmm.
But I'll take
It's a good
anything
time.
now.
Get past that.
It's green in my pocket.
We are.
Thanks for hanging
Trying
out.
all different time frames.
Honestly, it's a good time to trade.
Put that in red.
It's
Actually, I've done it
Little
before.
bit
To be
of
fair, and I made decent money. But normally around this time, I'm tired. I want to go to bed.
Oh, what time is it over there?
It's now 8:15 p.m.
Oh, that's not
Oh,
too
wow.
bad.
Thank you for hanging
Not too bad.
out, Trevor. Let's get a push here. Let's do it for Cuz.
Let's
Yeah,
do it
Come
for
on,
Cuz.
do it for Cuz.
Yep.
I want to see if we're gonna
Do it for
I don't know.
Andre Costanza. That's what you got to do it for. Do it
Let's
for Andre
say-
Costanza.
Why are you reading the
I'm not
chat?
doing
You're
it.
supposed to be on. You're supposed to be on the production.
1.5
box.
Oh, we're talking about this.
1.5K likes on the video, and I'm dropping
Fine,
the
fair enough.
picture.
Fair enough.
Okay.
1.5, 1,500 likes, and we'll show it.
Yeah, let
Someone
me go
tells
like it
me
as well.
They're going to show it
Two-
regardless. But let's get to 1,500 likes and see
Stop loss.
this heinous picture. My mom could not believe.
Does it inspire you to
Cuando te
hit the
apuesto,
gym at all,
no
Andre, to
tendrás-
maybe
no tendrás-
Why?
prove that Costanza
No.
bod?
I look like that.
You know,
Why would I hit? No,
Is that your?
that's,
Oh, that's peak.
yeah.
That's what peak performance looks like,
That's-
chat.
será
Right
ya.
there.
right.
That is
No
what peak
tendrás
performance
como
looks like.
1,500 likes. Click like, follow, subscribe, and notify.
por
Bell.
Things we do.
Bell. Yep.
Things we do for likes
Mira
around
la
here.
All right, we're at
buena
1,200.
de los impíos
Let's focus on this Nasdaq right here.
cuando viniere.
Come on, Nas. Break 19. Please.
Dios le
Let's
da
go. Do it. We have a
I mean, it's
TP at
22
10.
points.
por el
TP at 10.
bien.
Gotta test the 19,000s. 3.
I'm gonna buy these 80s too.
I don't like this.
All right.
On stair stepping.
That's like a
It
reverse.
is.
This is actually a really clean
know
example
what?
on the
I don't like
30-second
this
chart
as
of
a
a
lot.
stair
I'm
step
gonna get out
consolidation.
now.
of
I'm
a
gonna
stair
take
step
the loss.
consolidation.
Order filled.
30-second
Take
chart,
the loss.
Nasdaq,
Wait a little
really
bit.
clean consolidation.
But
It jumps up
see,
into a
this
new
looks like
sort of
Look at this
zone.
this one right
then
here is
perfect
telling me it's a loss.
Consolidation again.
And I want to trust
There's
it.
Very
side
interesting,
note. The
actually.
round numbers,
Right.
man.
Right.
Round numbers in
Right there.
Nasdaq are just vicious.
Right there.
I'm gonna
Reject.
see if we can buy another one at
Yes.
81. Do what the
You're trading
strategy
micros and
says.
minis.
Rejection.
Oh, micros.
Yeah,
micros.
Wish if I was in minis,
Huge.
I'd be doing backflips right now. It'd be up
You'd be
almost
balling.
Compound
$700, $800 on a one lot. Be amazing.
Wants to touch it. Wants to.
No, this
Yep.
This might be the one right here.
The only place I trade minis.
Order
is in-
filled. Order filled.
It's too scary, man.
Order filled.
It's wild. man.
YM, ES. I think those are pretty safe for E-minis if you
Stops.
really, really
Order
want to.
filled.
Yeah, ES is fun if you do one mini. Yes, one mini on Nasdaq,
And-
and it goes against
Where's
you. It's scary.
19,000 printed.
Should we just hold this thing, Dre?
There might be some
Sure, okay.
stops. Have to be some more stops.
Hold it to TP. We're going.
Right.
Well, we'll just do alpha structure, I guess. We'll just keep it going.
ES catching a bid.
Like to hear it. Like to hear it.
Take a look at the ES ladder. These guys are locked in on the Nasdaq right now. ES ladder, nothing jumping.
Order
off.
filled.
Off the page with some paper orders in there.
Let's see if he does.
Yep.
This will be a test for me. Why?
Any
Because it
payouts
really
recently? Cause
went by
No,
20. It
not at the
completely
moment.
passed that big
I'm trying to
one
work towards, like I
before.
said, my live account. So I'm trying to build
And
the accounts.
it's below the
yeah.
regular big one.
Friday I
It's
got
below the
slaughtered.
regular
Monday I got
big
taken
one
out.
and
So
the anchor big one.
damn.
right now it's about recovery. I actually had a conversation with someone
Below the
yesterday.
20.
I have
Oh,
one
who?
of my XFAs, I
What
think, is
should
on
we
like
do in this instance?
$200 left. And
Mhm.
he said to me,
Well,
okay, why don't you just full port it and then you can
What
start
can
again?
you do?
I said to him, well, that's exactly like the mentality of most people is just full port something instead of trying to save it. My mentality is I'm going to try and do everything I can to save
It's
that account.
below.
I don't care
Yeah,
if I have to do
you should.
one micros for the next 3 months. Because that proves to me that if I ever get stepped up to live, I'm ready to go to live.
Yeah,
Because I'm
love
ready
it.
to protect funds. Where if you have the mentality, oh, you know, I have $100 left, even if it's a compound, let me just full port it. I'll go buy a new one. It costs me $30 or $49 if you're US.
Got
Yeah.
a little
Your
headline
mentality is
here.
wrong.
Headline here from Spanish Finance Minister. U.S. Treasury Secretary sent a message that he wants to make a deal with EU on tariffs.
Ooh, that's good.
See if some more
That's
keeps
sweet.
coming
Now
in.
pump.
Yeah.
Yep. We're long 2, by the way.
right.
970s. And we're gonna add one more at our entry if we can.
Long 2.
That's about the middle of
NQ.
the range that we've been playing in.
18,970.
Yeah. So we're in 2. We bought 81s. So just buying the stair steps. That's all we're doing. We're not asking questions. Not asking is it the right? Is it going to win? Is it going to lose? It does not matter. Doing what we're supposed to do.
Yep.
What time frame is your stair step method on? Is it on the 30-second chart?
Any. Literally any.
Okay.
It depends what your time frame is. Depends what your risk is. I think for Nasdaq, for like day trading, for like in general, what traders are trying to accomplish, I think 1 minute to 5 minutes probably totally fine for stair steps.
Okay.
And it happens in any market, anywhere. It's just consolidation, move up, or vice versa. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. It just happens everywhere.
And keep an eye on these headlines again. Nothing
Let's see if
major.
we can bid 81s
Yes.
again. If we can even get filled on it. I don't know if we can. But like this structure on the 1 minute, Trevor is like perfect. So we have a consolidation right now on the 1 minute. All those 1 minute bars just stacked perfectly between 80s and 900s. And then if you look to the left, you had those long candlesticks that push this up to the price. And then to the left of that is all just ranging consolidation. So consolidation, up, consolidation, up, question mark. Hopefully it is. We'll see what happens. We're going to bid 79s and 70s. We're going to try to build a little trade here.
Sounds good. A little bit of a pullback.
All right. Long 3.
Long 3.
I'll keep our stop at. We'll risk about 2, maybe 2 to 300 on this one.
Okay.
See how far back it comes. Long 4. Cool.
Okay. Long 4. Go.
We'll add one more at 950 and a stop 10 points below that.
Long 4 micro. Trevor, long 8 micro.
6. A scale 2.
6. Pay attention, Andre. 6 micro. John Ross in the chat says long is such a terrible idea. Why, John? Tell me, John, please. Why? Why? What do you? I'm curious.
Tell us your entry to go short. Let's go.
It's
so funny.
Different opinions are absolutely okay.
I love it.
Yeah, I'm stopped out.
Horrible market.
Profit.
Wow.
It's just no one knows what's going to happen. No one has any idea.
If you did know what would happen, you'd be a millionaire.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So let's see if these buyers can come back in here. I do want our stop to be just below the midway.
Pull back here.
Cool. All right, we're good. Yeah, we still have higher lows too coming in off of
I was
the 1
right.
minute.
I was right.
All right.
5
Yeah, I
minute.
got I got tagged out at break even there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, flat. Good.
I am keen though for another entry, but I do want to see what happens here first.
Order filled.
It's okay.
If we can get up to like 980s, we can
Order
bumping this stuff
filled.
up a little bit, but still okay accepting risk here.
Here you go, John Ross. Can't break the 200 EMA. Never long below it. That's 101.
Mm.
Never long below it. Okay, fair enough.
That is your system. That is your
Like it.
system.
Absolutely. Thank you. Let's take a look at yes. What time frame? Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, a little bit of pullback here. Yes, 18,000 sold to 19,000s evens. 18,954. 4 minutes till the bottom of the hour. Yes,
It
a
did
little
not
bit of
like
sell-off.
19,000s. Jeez.
No, it did not. Big round numbers.
Yeah, small rejection.
Yeah, was it about 50 points?
Yeah,
These days, that's small. Trevor, that's small
That's
these
nothing.
days. It's
That's
nothing.
yeah, it's nothing exactly.
It's
Compared to
crazy.
last week Monday, I mean that's a drop in the ocean.
I mean, seriously, yeah.
That was insane. Absolutely
Almost
insane.
last week Monday, like 120 points in every 2-minute moves. It was insane.
Yeah. Yep.
So
5,000 lots
Yeah,
clearing
of
out the
course.
books. In this
Dow.
news. What's up, Duncan? Lots of stops.
A
54.31.
plus
Okay.
setup.
Oh, 54.33.
Entry.
Oh, I see why you see that.
Mhm.
Yep.
46,
All right, cool.
23.
Yeah, we have one last bid in at 42s, and our stops at 35s.
Hold it. All right. 6 after 6.
See how
Trump
this
is at an event.
goes.
Yeah, Trump
What-
is an event. He's at some. What's going on here? Still selling off a little bit.
All right, we're in our last one. Got our 5.
Order filled.
Cool. Thank you, Hogue. Quick Delta update. Nothing really.
Order filled.
Minus 1900 NQ.
And-
Nothing. Let's get in there.
See if we can hang in this one. I mean, adding down here doesn't cost that much, man.
Trevor, can we get an update to the P&L, please, if you'd be so kind?
Yeah, negative 1492.
1492.
I'm very
good.
keen on this shorts, but I don't know. Like,
Okay.
see, I'm starting to
Maybe, like,
hesitate now
really
in
good now.
trades because I'm getting markets drilled me so hard the last 3 days, which is, something I have to try and get out of mentality wise. I mean, it does knock you when the market takes your money. Eh?
It doesn't feel great.
Time.
Doesn't feel great.
No.
And then you start second guessing yourself, which is like the worst thing to do because you know the trade works, and if it doesn't, figure out why it didn't work. But it
Second guess,
sucks when you're
yes.
losing.
So close.
Sometimes you'll get to the, should I just fade myself? It's
Oh, that's the worst.
the problem is, what if that trade works? Fading yourself and the trade
that's the
works.
problem
What,
there. And then
what do you do
90%
of
you're
next?
the time it
blender.
does.
What do you do next? Ugh. 18,945. Last trade at Nasdaq. Yes, 54.32. Nothing on the tilt. On the hour
Yeah.
in 60 seconds.
All right, we're long 6. Our stop is at 937.
What's
We're
our
gonna walk our
price?
stop up. Average 964 at 6.
Thank you. Mohammed, they're saying you're spamming. Mohammed, they say you're spamming in the chat.
Oh
You
my
are
gosh.
spamming. Mohammed, who took over your computer? You are spamming, Mohammed. Come on. You're going crazy. Shout out to Mohammed. Guy. Flat now.
Yep.
He is.
See if we can get back up to 19,000.
Okay. Q.
It would be nice to see you guys win.
Oh, bro, I'll take any W's are great W's.
100%. I
W's
just need
are
to
great
see one.
W's.
Of course, Mohammed, you're great. We're just goofing. Mohammed on the quest to become live funded by June. Do it. Motivated, committed, passion for the markets. But on the hour, it's coming gone. 30 minutes left. 20 minutes till MOC. Again, we're at 1,200 likes. I get to 1,500. You guys want the if that keeps on giving.
See if we can rally here. Let's see if we can rally.
Come on, 1900s. Let's go.
All right. Well, I don't know if we're gonna get to those 1,500 likes. Oh, real quick before we get the party started. All right. By the way, Robert Cooney's birthday today. Coach
Get outta
Robert's
here.
birthday. No. Everyone wish Robert a happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday, bud.
Yep. And my gift to you, Robert. My gift to you is watch the screen right now. We're not getting the 1,500. Boom. You're welcome. Happy birthday, buddy. Happy
Oh, look
birthday.
at that.
Do
That's
not-
what he
I
wanted
mean,
to. He DM'd me on
happy
the side.
birthday.
And he's like, I want that
Me
picture to be
to you.
posted.
Everyone
That's
I want that
awesome.
picture to be
Robert,
posted.
happy,
That's what he
happy,
said.
happy birthday. Wish him a happy birthday. Yes. Oof. All right, take it down.
Screenshot saved.
Oh gosh,
right.
please no. Please. We don't need that. We don't need that. Oh gosh. Oh, it's already in there.
Ah, the
18
pain.
minutes.
Burning. Burning
Oh,
my eyes.
there you go, Robert. Happy birthday, Robert. Oof. Man, can't shake that.
5. All right, we got some take profits in.
Okay.
We'll see if we can get hit on any of those. But we're just in a holding pattern right here.
Yes, we are.
I like buying. We'll try to actually buy 952s as well.
Long 6 right now.
Yep.
Isn't Power Hour supposed to be fast?
Man,
yeah,
Trevor.
it depends, man. It depends.
Come on. It's about to get ready.
It's like trading London.
that.
Slow.
Watch this. Watch you just start rocking right now. Yeah, and happy birthday, Robert.
First time on this segment, already shitting on Power Hour, Trevor.
You killed the volatility.
Cuz. Come on,
Cuz. Kill the
cuz.
vol. Kill the volatility, cuz, man.
Sorry, guys.
All good. A little bit of pullback here in
It's-
gold.
it's a
Pulled down
special
about
day.
$5 last 15 minutes. We go a little
Get
bit
the
of
980s.
a little
Reduce
pop
some
here.
risk. Be pretty sweet.
Thank you, Jay.
I'm gonna see what our 81s is our.
Quick question, Andre and Darby,
Sure.
if you don't mind.
Sure.
Please.
Let's say, so I have 3 XFAs, right?
Okay.
Say, for instance, I get called up to live. Do I take the balance of all 3 XFAs and combine them into my live, or is it just that XFA that moves to live? It's that balance that goes in with me.
It's capped. It depends what size the XFA accounts are. Capped, and then it'll get moved into your live account.
Of all the XFAs that I have, obviously, if they're all 50Ks, and then you're moving into a live.
Correct. Once you have your live accounts, no XFA, no XFAs.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that.
Okay, cool. What's your XFA balance at right now?
They're pretty dismal at the moment. So right now, it's just about recovery, which is a slow process, but I don't mind doing it.
Yes. Okay.
It was pretty good last week. But yeah, I've had some bad days.
Happens.
It's
Sounds like you're down on
unfortunate.
yourself.
It
Sounds like you're
happens.
down on yourself a little bit, Trev, with the way
The
these markets
the most
are.
important thing is I'm not throwing them away. I'm not throwing these XFAs. I'm not full margining them. I'm not going on tilt on them.
Good.
I'm not going to play them.
Oh,
So
be
like, I mean, there's a few XFAs I haven't even traded on in the last 3 days because I just don't want to right now. The market hasn't
That's good though.
provided me enough
You're listening to
incentive to
yourself.
trade them.
A lot of what we're seeing from a lot of traders on the big board going down to micros, one lots and the minis, definitely adapting, changing, picking and choosing their spots.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're all learning. This is new for everyone, even Hoop and Ho, as with like
Yeah.
decades and decades of experience. I think they've seen it all, but still, market's always surprising us.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Like right now, this power hour, Trev.
Surprising
exciting.
us.
Oh, it's so much fun, eh?
Lack of
exciting.
movement.
I'm
We
so
have a
excited.
Dorito on the 32nd. We're gonna buy one more at 52s if we can.
Okay.
Oh, what the hell is that? That might not
What?
be good.
Missed it.
Stop it. Stop it. No, just a little wiggle. I don't like
Okay.
it though. It's starting to move
Nice.
a lot.
Yeah, it is. It feels like something's coming.
Don't know what way it's gonna break. Let's pull this buy. We'll keep our stop. Let's move our stop down just a little bit. 350.
Okay. Yeah. Ooh, man, oh man.
We gotta make some higher highs here and get off this. This 30-second is just so Doritoed right now. Lower highs, flat bottoms. We gotta break
Definitely.
970s, 980s.
Hmm.
We just need a nice
Can't make
pop up to all
highs. I don't like that.
Yes.
Okay, there we go. A little bit better. It's perking up a little bit here. We got any size, Trey? Anything?
No, this is algos, man. This is all algo trading right now. Shit is right. Take a look at the ES.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
Wait this thing out. We got
Gonna risk
MOC.
down to what? $1.40? No.
We'll see 14 minutes.
Accept risk. That's what we're here to do. Is accept risk.
You know. Yes, algo trading right now. It's all right. 18,967. It's very thin. It's very choppy. It's very wicky on the. There you go, Naz.
Not get over those 977s. What are we doing, Naz?
what it's been doing all day.
This all this feels fake. No price, but this feels fake.
It's teasing you, bro. Like it's been teasing us.
Where are the stops at? Where are the stops at? They're around here somewhere. Are they where my stop is at? That would be unfortunate.
What's he saying?
See, this is looking like a short now.
For now, this could be head fakes. This has all been head fakes, as MP calls it.
Yeah. All right. We're gonna bid one at 40s. See if we can buy this midpoint.
Okay. 18,953. Got 13 minutes till MOC. So, some earnings after the bell. Huh. Interactive Broker and well as United Airlines after the bell. Can't wait to see what brokers revenues look like. And then before the bell tomorrow, Procter & Gamble, U.S. Bank, Abbott Labs, big ones there. Yeah, Interactive Brokers after the bell. Today.
Andre, speaking of bells.
Shit.
Uh-oh.
Shit.
Should we knock it out?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's do it.
Hey, man. Gabe's been quarterbacking this thing behind the scenes all day. All right. Get ready for this. We got...
All right. Question of the day. The open trade equity in a trader's account is based on, or is calculated and based on maintenance margin plus or minus the realized profit and loss. B, maintenance margin plus or minus the unrealized profit and loss. C, initial margin plus or minus the realized profit and loss. Or D, initial margin plus or minus the unrealized profit and loss. The open trade equity in a trader's account.
D. I say D.
Based on
margin. Yeah, unrealized. It's definitely unrealized. We're going D.
And then maintenance or initial.
That's what it is.
Yeah, I'm going with D as well.
D. What's the poll saying?
30, pushing 40% in D.
Yeah, I said D.
Nice.
I hope I didn't lead them stray here. I think it's D, though. I think it's initial.
All right, we'll make it quick and snappy. I know y'all are going to trade. So, answer today is in fact D. It is the initial margin plus or minus unrealized profit and loss.
I didn't fail you. There you go.
You did not. You've actually been knocking these out pretty consistently.
Math. Math.
Studying.
Yeah. Oh, there's a story developing here. Don't tell them. There's a story developing here. Somebody has to say yes. 10 minutes.
Heavy.
Come on.
Oh, buyers. Man, this is so thin.
It's head
As soon
fakes.
as this gets down here, it just buyers come swooping back in. There has to be algos at play or something. This does not feel like natural price movement.
It is. No headlines. Pretty quiet right now.
Oh,
20 minutes
lower
till the
highs.
bell.
It's not cool.
Just head fake city.
Oh, look at these buys. As soon as it looks heavy, buyers come swooping back in again.
What was the over? The above below 19,022. Cuz had it. We had 50-50
Yeah.
on the poll.
What was the below?
You think?
I think I might be leaning towards that now.
Go test the 19,000s one more time. Would you get out of Would we get out of 19,000, Dolby, if we got back up there?
Oh, hell yeah. We definitely start peeling at 19. I'm looking for the range extension to the outside is really what I'm looking for. Is I want to see us get back into like the 19,100s.
Dolby, we might not get out of the range though, man. With the way we're seeing there, I don't
know.
I'm taking a short.
All you can do is wait. All we can do is just wait, Trey. I don't have any expectations.
Cuz got short.
No expectations.
I'll tell you my entry now. It's 18,960.
960. Okay.
Only 3 macros.
3.
That's all I need.
Q. Alrighty. And then the range in the 5 minute.
Well.
We might not get out of this range. And that would be sad. But we've had a really good hold time, and we've spent a lot of time in this trade. We've had some in the green, some in the red. I mean, sometimes if you're on like a really, really, if you're on a losing streak, just getting yourself even remotely aligned with the market can feel like a win.
Mm-hmm.
You're just not getting blasted in the face immediately on a trade. So that's nice. It's a nice feeling.
19,000. Well, if we get the 19,000s.
Well, let's see what we get.
Overtime.
19,000 would get us about 400.
We'll take it.
So we're hanging out at our entry now. We've been in this trade for a long time.
Yeah, power hour.
Trade from
Sour
previous
hour.
segment, actually. It started at the previous segment.
That's right.
Okay, we tested highs. We're going back down again to test lows. That would be unfortunate.
Just looks so heavy.
I know. Then they just
What time frame?
up in like
I probably shouldn't be looking because I've been wrong the last 3 days.
It's algos. Yep. Can't pick a direction.
They really cannot. We do have some bids at 44 and 40. Stop at 936.
Hold it.
Let's see if they hold it again.
Where's your next entry? Buy? 941.
44s, just the very, very
44.
lows. Yeah, so I like midpoints of ranges, and so we have a midpoint at around like 940s. So I'm just kind of leaning on that to see if they keep on supporting it. So far they have. Obviously, it doesn't mean they're going to forever, but we can't predict the future.
Nothing on tilt.
Really big range. Really big Dorito.
What is the range today? In the Nasdaq, only I should say 400 point range only. No, 300 point range only. Nasdaq today. Yeah, it's ho hum these days. A little pop here in the crude 61.60.
Can we get above 980?
Yeah,
Can we?
They're going to test 19,000. They're going to test 19,000s. We'll get to 19,000s.
Trump, where's some news? Let's get some news coming out.
Now's a good time to buy. Only with Trump.
Did you get flat?
No, I'm saying when Trump said now's a good time to buy.
Yeah.
And then everyone started selling, and then what happened? The price rallied.
Everyone's on high alert.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yes, bottom 5 minute range.
This is a tough one.
It's the tough ones that are the good ones. Dolby, we got this.
I know. Hardest trades are the best ones. I
think what we should do is take a trade and walk away. Don't even watch it.
I would not be watching this right now. I would not be watching this. I would be walking around my house doing dishes or something.
Yeah, I know. Playing FIFA or something else.
FIFA. What's your team? Who's your club?
Chelsea,
yes. 18,960. Do you play online? Do you find yourself getting rolled by 8-year-olds and 12-year-olds all around the globe?
You know, I can't play online. I'm too competitive. When I lose, I start getting angry. So
They break
just don't
stuff.
play online.
You think trading's frustrating?
Yeah,
FIFA will send you to a new dimension of anger.
You can learn all the patience you want in trading. The moment you play FIFA, you lose it all.
Undo everything.
You think
all that work you've done gone.
If you want to see tilt, go play FIFA.
Yeah.
Here we go. Plus 900 ES Delta, minus 2200 Nasdaq.
5 minutes to MOC.
That's right. 5 minutes to MOC. 15 minutes till the bell.
44s and 40s are bidding. Can we pop here, please?
It's a little range here, a little box.
Can we even survive to MOC? Okay, long 7.
Nice.
Long 8.
Price.
959.
Thank you. Let's hold this thing.
Okay, so my entry is 962, short 9.
Nice.
Short 962.
You are long at what? 958.
959 evens.
Oh, with 8. Now to see who's right.
Stop. Let's go.
Right.
Order filled.
Would that be classified as hedging?
This is we got Trump. Trump's supposed to be pulling up to the microphone shortly.
Oh, we might be dead here. We might be dead.
It'll come back up. Always does.
Come on.
Don't say China.
Do not stop, Runnels. Do
not
not
say
say tariffs. Say tariffs over. Do not stop, run.
Do not say China.
Say tariffs, say China, say whatever you can.
Yeah, right.
This is what's turned into. This is what it's turned into.
Order filled.
Son of a bee.
No.
I'm going to scale
Son
3 out.
of a bee.
Got to break
Oh my
even.
God, look at that. Holy guacamole.
All right, Trump, say tariffs, say China, say whatever you want now.
Order filled.
I'm sorry, without a little bit more.
What's that chant you guys do, Jerome?
Order filled.
Where's Jerome?
Jerome. Let's shout out to Mohammed. There it is. Selling coming in here in the ES now.
Yeah.
About 10 points from the lows. Last trade 54.23. Nasdaq a little bit more hesitant to the downside. But still going, 18,924. Cause it's short from 962.
Yeah, 963.
963.
I'll scale 3 out, so my
Order filled.
current P&L is 133.
All right. Jabbing. I like it.
Nice job.
2 minutes till MOC. 2 minutes MOC.
Yeah.
It's going to come in. So start with the S&Ps, then the Nasdaq, and the Dow. Buckle up.
Yeah, we got stopped at 33s. Make a little note here. Let's see what happens. Maybe you were just a
Order
little early.
filled.
Maybe stop wasn't deep enough.
Everyone's saying go flat. Trump is
Maybe
speaking.
we should have leaned on 925s. I don't know. I like your short. Some of the
Order filled.
in chat, he pointed out something interesting. It's like, how do you switch bias? Like, we got in this long trade because of the stair step higher, and then as soon as this 980 thing happened, that's a change in structure. So maybe there needs to be a rule or something there to get out of a trade or to switch sides or something. But everything was stair stepping higher up until that 19,000, and then we sold off, got to the bottom of that consolidation, and that would have been the change. So that was a good call.
Come on, baby, come
At
on.
one, we're going to go back to the study guide and see how to do that. See what rules we can put in place here. But maybe a stop run, that would be very unfortunate.
Risk management. Manage the risk to the downside.
Yeah.
Just a wick down here. Yeah. All right. We got 30 seconds MOC. 30 seconds MOC. Cuz what are you gonna do with this position? You got 7 on, 6 on, short 6.
Yeah.
Short 6.
Yeah, nice trade.
Yeah,
Have you
short
traded into
one.
MOC before? It can be quite the exciting
No, I'm
time.
out. I closed up.
You're out. Okay.
Yeah, knowing my luck in the markets lately, I'd rather just close.
Order filled.
Sometimes it's like that, you know?
Order
Take what I
filled.
can get.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. Here we go. Buckle up. MOC. Oh, you got
There we go. I
Pretty
would have been
open.
stopped
How
up.
much does that mean?
buy side. 2 billion buy side S&Ps, 1 billion buy side Nasdaq, 700 million buy side Dow, 2 billion buy side ES, 1 billion buy side Nasdaq, 700 million Dow. Those numbers will change. What was the reaction?
Order filled.
A little bit of pop.
Okay. Okay.
Take care.
I'm gonna
Movie.
find out for you.
Tiny bit of a.
Tough.
Those will change.
Does this happen every day? This MOC, whatever you say?
Oh yeah, MOCs every day.
Yep. 10 minutes.
That's what's nice about
Got this.
the last hour. So you always got a little bit of action no matter what. I've actually grown to
Order
really
filled.
enjoy the 2 to 3 time.
Come on.
It is. You got one eye on the clock. One eye on the clock, which helps kind of. If we get a big delta one way or another with one eye on the clock, can give you kind of an indication what may happen. Not always. And so, all right, Trev. Yes, 10 minutes before the closing bell in the New York session, MOC comes out, and then 5 minutes till the closing bell. You see one last injection of liquidity. So some fireworks to come here.
So the
We
target
touched
of
those
19,022
19,000s.
still get hit.
Come on.
Okay, pushing higher, 18,976. MOC still a buy side across the board.
Pick it
Still
up.
1.5 bill buy side
man.
S&Ps, 900 mil buy side Nasdaq. Dow still saying buy side 500 million.
Come on. No, don't go, baby, don't go.
Exploit the Vibe says, I will never listen to MOC is dumb.
29, no, 29, 29, 20,
Yes.
20.
Just
I don't
is.
even know if it's something you can listen to as
Who
much as
can
you just
give me more? Who
experience
give me
how
more?
fast
It
it
is.
moves the market.
Who gives
Nothing
me
really we
more?
can do about it.
Who
Just,
gives me more?
just does its thing.
Yeah.
All right, 8 minutes to go. Gabe, if we want, hashtag power hour. Hashtag power hour. Ask the peeps. This morning, did they come through, Gabe?
Yeah, we
Put
got
you
a
on the
few.
s- All right, cool. We got 7 minutes. All right, let's do this.
Cool. Let's go. We got Sean Trades Futures done for the day with my TopStep XFA. Working on those base hits. Seeing some good mixture of green.
Order filled.
Good job, Sean. Appreciate you submitting. We got Tom stacking base hits in the XFAs. A lot of people, it just seems like the theme right now is size down. Don't be swinging for the fences.
Yep.
But $805 added to his war chest, he says. Missed the early long, but caught the short before news dropped. Job there, Tom. So MP gave a quick shout out from, we got Seeking the Door. The new design is incredible. The dashboard, first time taking payouts and was able to trade without having to wait. Great improvement and super fast payouts. You get access to the full kind of update and cycles of, submitting the payout to when the funds get removed to when it's approved and then when the payment has been sent. So you get a lot more kind of status updates for your payouts in that new dashboard.
Order filled.
It's like a pizza tracker, MP said. But we got
Did he
Anthony's
say
trade. Yeah,
really say that?
actually. Yeah, it says it's almost like pizza tracker with your payouts on the new dashboard.
Come on, baby.
So good.
Come on, baby. Come on.
We got Anthony's trading journal past the 50K Top Step combine in 7 trading days. Now try to get a payout. Great job there, Anthony. I like the day P&L curve. Went into a little small loop.
Order filled.
And just kind of slowly, steadily worked his way up to passing. So great job there, Anthony. And then we got Trader Dave trading my TopStep accounts.
Order filled.
The profit came close to blowing them a couple weeks ago. So I took a break and came back with small size this week. Good plan. Taking a break, getting refreshed, jab. That's what I got for you, man. Let's get back to it. Close up this day.
Oh yeah, we got 5.5 minutes till the close. Everyone's flat. Trevor, you still you got flat before.
No, I got flat before.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, good on you for getting flat. That was a wild one.
Yeah,
that
look, if I
jump.
don't know what something is, I'm not
Right.
going to try and test my luck, eh?
55-point bounce.
MOC
Still
not
pretty
really trading
reasonable.
too much.
There's not a
Here we
whole lot
go.
going on. We're so stuck in the range right now. We're like in the middle of the middle.
See what happens here in 2 seconds. See what happens here. Yeah, not too much. 18,000. We're not going to go above these 19,000. So 18,976.
Oh, I don't know, Dre. A little bit of time.
No,
You got 5
don't do it.
minutes. You got
Kind.
5 minutes.
Be kind here.
This could happen. But if you do draw a fib from top to bottom, 50% only, that puts us at 18,997. That is the exact middle of our big
How can
Dorito.
we fix this?
997's all right.
How can we fix this? Is there a way to fix this?
Pizza tracker. Incredible.
I'm so tired. How can we
lMos is
fix
a technology company. It's not a
They
pizza
are.
company.
They absolutely are.
this?
No. Well, you got pizza? You got pizza out there?
Do you
Wherever
have
you're at,
pizza
cuz?
out there? Sorry.
Yeah, I think so.
I love that
Okay.
question. My guy.
I heard it's pretty good, though, in Chicago.
It's
It
good.
can be.
It's
can
really
be.
good.
Can be.
Yeah.
So what's better there, pizza or beer?
Pizza.
Ooh.
The pizza. I like the pizza.
Get a
Chat's
lot of
fired up,
beer.
right? Chat's fired up. We got 4 minutes into the close. Man. Snooze
Order
bummer.
filled.
Dre,
Yeah.
a normal bar. Is this the day that all traders just wish volatility was back on?
Right.
This was a snoozer.
Yeah, it's probably my
Chat's
luck,
gonna-
that one, eh?
I mean,
Chat's
the
gonna be
chart
pissed.
is the chart's an
Once we
absolute
lose.
mess.
Once we
Look at
lose
that
these
fire.
100-point ranges, chat's gonna be like, how do we ever make money? How do we ever make money?
Even MOC's not really doing much. Still 600 mil buy side S&P, 700 million buy side Nasdaq, 200 million buy side Dow. The markets are just exhausted right now.
They are. They feel pooped. I mean, what the whole session was like not even a 100-point range almost. I mean, come on.
Order filled.
Look at.
Yep.
Even Cooney seeing the Dorito.
Hey, happy birthday, Cooney. Have yourself a ribeye. Man loves his.
That's every day. That's every day.
That's
it's a
right.
ribeye for him.
Every day.
What does Rooney? What does Rooney the Riz Cooney do for his birthday if every day is ribeye day?
Order filled.
Like
question.
Wagyu dry aged.
Question.
Special.
Totally wagyu.
Like special. Maybe a bone in ribeye,
Mhm.
dry aged Wagyu. I don't know.
2
Sushi?
ribeyes. That's
I don't know if sushi is in his.
Brisket.
Okay.
All right, here we go. 2 minutes till the close. South Africa has the best barbecue convention. Is a brie, yeah? Sounds like called a brie, right?
Bri.
Brie. What is it? Brie.
like
I've been to
the-
one.
Order
Sal?
filled.
I've been to
Sal or
one.
whatever?
Sorry, I should have known. I've been to one too.
Sorry, what's that?
Sorry. Go ahead, Dolby.
What is it? What's a bri? Is that like an event?
South Africa.
No. Bri is like what the Americans call a barbecue.
Oh, come on, come on,
Barbecue,
come
yes.
on.
We
don't
call it
be
a
afraid,
bri.
don't be
Ooh,
wrong.
got it.
Dumb American. I've been to one too.
Steven,
18,967. Again, or above below. The price was 19,022.
Yeah.
No chance.
50 on that.
I just, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
I know.
5 minute, big old range, 15 minute, it's in its own range, half an hour, it's in a range, underneath a range, 1 hour is in a range, underneath a range, over a range, underneath a range.
The range.
You
The
You know,
range is
a
here.
whole lot of them. They're just everywhere.
Yeah.
Who we got
Finally.
Every
tomorrow?
time frame.
finally.
Order filled.
There we go. Have a nice
Maybe
trip.
tomorrow we can
Do we
get
have
some
tomorrow?
clean price action.
What a
That's
crap
right. So you
of
make sure you
shit.
guys stay tuned. We got to at the
What
buzzer.
a
Then we got
crap
slow
of
markets.
Donald Trump.
Stop around here. We got London
Ew.
Open, Euro Trade. We got to
Ew.
trying to fill this thing out. 23 hours a day,
Ew. Everything is red.
3.5
And
days
you
a week
feel like
or so.
Hey,
All right, 50
no
seconds
excuse to
into
not
the.
learn.
What is this market's just, oh man.
I got nothing.
Order
Absolutely.
filled.
This is brutal. Brutal.
One more time.
Even like
Wish
the last
Wish Cooney a happy birthday. Trevor, we wish
Order
Robert a happy
filled.
birthday, please, before we get out of here.
That
Yeah,
right
happy
there.
birthday,
What I'm
Robert.
talking
Have a
about.
good
That
one.
right there.
Order
That
rejected.
sounded very
Order
heartfelt right there,
rejected.
Trevor. I appreciate that. 20 seconds to the close. That's the fellow coming in here. In
Order
the
filled.
54.25. About 12 points to go to touch the lows if we get there. It doesn't look like there's got any steam. We got 10 seconds. Then I'll throw it to my main man, Gabe. Gabe doing yeoman's work today. Dolby time, great stuff today. Good risk management.
It was fun.
We're learning,
Tough
man.
day,
We're
but
learning.
we
We're doing
tried.
great. Yep, absolutely. There is the bell. Hell yes. Trev, thanks so much for joining.
Returns.
And Dolby time.
Thank you, guys.
Order
Stuff today,
filled.
as always. Gabe with shout out to all the bell to bellers. As always, shout out to all the bell to
Oh
bellers.
yeah.
Hanging in there. We're grinding right now. And markets are changing. They continue to change. So we're gonna adapt with it. That being said, I'm gonna throw it to my main man, everyone's main man today. Gabe, take us out of here.
Order
All right, everybody,
filled.
thank you so much for joining us today. We had a great day. Hope you enjoyed. I know it was kind of a, kind of a lame day in the markets a little bit, but for the most part, hope you survived. Live to trade another day, as MP would say. Going over the schedule for today, the rest of this afternoon, just stay put. Maybe get up, have a quick stretch break, give your brain some opportunity to reset a little bit, stretch those legs out. And we have At the Buzzer with Coach Jay and Coach Paul here coming up on YouTube at 3:15 Central. And then tonight we do have Slow Markets. Now it is 7:30. It's just Dakota tonight, but that is obviously at the typical location as well. And then we do have London Open at 1:30 a.m. Central Chicago time with Aaron Luce, and Deanna's Euro Trade at 3:30 Central. And then stick around tomorrow. We have a fun day packed. We have JD Hogue and Coach Vince, and then Eddie's back tomorrow too. So we have a full opening call squad, and then we have Coach Hoop and Coach Jay and Deanna joining us for Fast Markets. We have a new guest coming on during the 11:15 segment, Trade with Top Step. Goes by the nickname Meat. He was a floor trader, so his floor name was Meat. So we're super excited to get to know him, his story, and what he used to trade back on the floor. And then we have Dakota and David Green, the dynamic duo, coming in for lunchbox trading. Top quiz is back tomorrow as well with Deanna and Eddie. And then we have a new first-time guest for the VIP lounge in the afternoon, and that's going to be Fatima. Not the Fatima that we're used to. This is a new lady. She's a wonderful, great personality, awesome trader, and super excited to kind of get to know her. And then closing up Power Hour, David Green and Coach Dakota back again, and that will be our Wednesday. So anyway, that's it for me. I'm going to go ahead and get you guys out of here. Stick around for At the Buzzer. In the meantime, have a great evening. And if you do trade the reopen tonight, be safe, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care.
I've never felt so good in my life. I'm on an absolute roll, podiuming at every single competition during the year.
7-5 for the kid from Aspen. A tremendous showing.
And this is our 5th contest, and I'm feeling like I'm on cloud 9.
First thing with this system is the wind starting to hit that mile-per-hour range with gusts easily up and over 40.
And then in one fell swoop, literally 1 second, and my whole season, my whole world flips upside down on it.
Okay, so we done. We are done for today. We are done for today. What a day. I was up in the 300s. Ended up doing naughty things. Not so ethical. Not the best way to trade, but these are things that I have learned on my practice account, on my real account, how to mitigate risk to the lowest is by trial and error. a small error and trial in the trade. Especially when you like self-taught. It's not a pretty sight when you are the product of stubbornness. Because I tell you, I had the opportunity to pay someone. I had the opportunity to join some Phoenix Trading Academy or something like that. And I didn't do it. Something was down the street and across this front floor. It was my next door neighbor. It was in Scottsdale. I lived in Phoenix for Tatum and Board. I was like down the street, man, next to in the heart of Scottsdale place. And I didn't go. I like this spot. I like this spot.
Order filled.
But I know Michael Patak for it. A couple of the other dudes that work for Michael Patak for it too. But I loved it. It's like it was. Because it was this thing. How much do we need about this? When we get that, hopefully we go on the other way. Once you start putting numbers on. What is this right here? What is that right there? That's so I can close the position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, man. Without a hassle. So let me put one more. Show you. Big, come on, man, don't be doing that. You gotta go north. Gotta go north. Sure. So first, we start with the left. I only deal for my own. I didn't know about this. I didn't know about the high. Always, man, I always learn, I always find the way. Start the way. That's who I am, and find the way, concentrate on the solution. The solution. Solution takes places. 25. 25. I don't know, but let's do if we do 10.
Order filled.
35. It's crazy.
Order filled.
35 and 15. But I did it. In any event, we will step back to this. So. A million more. Oh, it's scary. Scary. gotta be able to just get out once you want to get out. Yeah. Or like this. Yeah. Please.
The market is closed.
Oh, it's official. I don't get registered to pay. Waiting. I want to wait. I don't know how to figure. There. Close. 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 One minute. One minute. Waiting. It's close, we're done trading. I'm happy I didn't blow up that account. Managing that very well, in my opinion. So. Next for this is close now.